Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to show the program names on the Windows 10 taskbar when an application is open. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu, type in Settings. Best result should come back with Settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the Personalization tile, and then select the taskbar on the left side. On the right side now, scroll down underneath where it says Combine Taskbar Buttons. Click inside the drop down here and set it to either Always or Never. So you'd want to go ahead and set this to Never, and then you should see the name of the application appearing down in the system tray whenever it is open. And if you want to turn this off, just select Always Hide Labels, and that will revert it back to the default. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.